Hi folks, okay, this is a slightly different one. This is data recovery, but with a bit of a difference. Friend at work has got some quite important data on this hard drive and he dropped it and it's stopped working now. So I'm going to have a go at getting the data off. The case took a bit of prizing off. It's one of these Seagate cases, just a very fine knife or a screwdriver along the edge, and I managed to prise it apart. It's a SATA drive with a drive motor, not an SSD, which probably been all right. And so for this, you're going to need, I've got a screwdriver kit and a little prize, a little picker. And we're going to also need like a docking station, which I've got here, which I'll plug into my laptop. Okay, so we're just going to get the drive out. I'm not going to hang about, just gently, just prise it. It's only got a couple of rubbers each side. Sliding back, and that's the drive. All right, put that to one side, and now we're going to do is undo all these screws. There's another one, I think, just about. I'll show you that. Oh, there it is. It's just there, just underneath the casing. I've warned him that if it doesn't work, I'm not going to be held responsible for his data. He said that's fine, because if I take it apart and I can't do it, he'll send it off anyway. The thing what's probably happening, because this is making a high-pitched, that's a good impression, noise, and we think that the heads have jammed on the platters. So this is what we're going to find out. So I'll just start stripping this. It's pretty straightforward. This is just a foil pack coming off. I'm not going to use this drive again if I get the data off it, anyway. So I'm just going to, can I just peel that back? Yeah, it does, that's it. Okay, that'll come off, and then this is just an adapter. Should just pop out. Here we go. Right, so I'll start with the screws. Get back to you in a sec. I just broke out the small kit because it's tiny. Right. There we go. So each one of these, so make sure you get the right size, because if you don't, you'll split the heads. Okay, so I'll carry on with this. Okay, and there's that one underneath there. Okay, so I've just peeled the foil off. So you're going to see this exactly the same time as me for the first time. So hopefully the heads are in the middle of the platters with a bit of luck. No, they're not. And look, you can see some damage. Can you see that? That looks like a bit of the head. And this part here, this white strip, is a filter that draws any heavy muck. So, well, let's see if we can get any debris out. Oh, look at that, the head's, it looks like the head's damaged, look. Let's have a quick look. Okay, so if this head was just on over there like that, this head's really badly damaged. The head's missing as well, just on the tip there. So if this was in the middle of the drive, what you would do is you would get your screwdriver very carefully and you'd place it on the drive itself. So it might be a bit too big, and doing anti-clockwise rotation, so reverse, you would pull your head gently and turn this at the same time, and that should release the heads back into their parking position. Okay, this is not going to work at all. The head's damaged. He's going to have to send it away, and what they'll probably have to do is replace the old arm with a new head and see if I can get the data off that way. I've got to text him and tell him that it's a no-go because it is badly damaged, and you can see that. And there was a piece on the, I'll show you if I can find that. There it is, look. Can you see that? That tiny little speck. Where are we? Here's a part of the head. There you go. So, sorry Dan, no go mate. But I'll put this back together as I found it, and we should be sending it off. There is a place who can do it locally to us. That's what we'll have to do. And there's probably damage. There might be bits inside the platter. It looks like it's only one. No, there's two heads, look. Can you see that? So it's a shame. I was really looking forward to that. Not to worry. So there is one way of getting data off if you can. If it's not, if the heads aren't damaged and it's just stuck, you'll hear it going with wiring. Just pull the bed anti-clockwise and pull the heads back. And with a bit of luck, when you plug it in, you might be able to get your data back. Okay, thanks very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the vid. Please give it a thumbs up, a like and subscribe. Sorry I didn't achieve to get the data off, but it was worth a try. Take care, catch you in the next video.